Okay, good morning, everybody. Hope that you all are well. Welcome back to another video. We're back. Today's the 5th of June. Um, yeah, we live. And let's see what the market has for us today. Quick recap of yesterday. We got a W, end up passing the founder. Actually, I got the account today, actually. So we'll just see if we do get a trading opportunity. Yeah, bro, look at that, bro. Literally after taking out the London low, price went all the way back up, taking out the London high. I think it's this way. Let me just confirm. I think it's this one. This is the London high. Price went back to take out the London high. There we go. See, swept the London high. Clean setup, to be honest. But I caught the sells. That's all I needed. Nothing more, nothing less. So yeah, beautiful trade yesterday. Uh, yeah. Just delete all of these. Very Did I actually mark? Oh, there we go. Yeah. Excuse the mess. I know there's a lot going on. There's a lot. I know there's a lot going on my chart right now. Um, right now we're currently down here. We have a couple of minutes before market open. We currently right now at the first fair value gap of the 28th of May. I would delete it, but I'm gonna leave it. I think I should. It's just making it look messy. I don't know. I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna leave it for now. I'm gonna leave it for now. Um, yeah, we've been on a downtrend. We had news at 8:30 today. 8:30, 8:30. Let me look for the 8:30 candle. 8:30. This is us. This is the news candle right over there. So at market open, I probably want to see price go up a little bit. Have a bit of a retracement, maybe back inside the opening range gap. This is a big opening range gap. If not, it's gonna probably just leave it open and then just continue the direction because it's like over 400 pips. Like as you guys can see, it's still going down right right now. Um. Oh, I haven't checked the daily actually. Check the daily. What's going on? Currently, we're not we're dropping on the daily, and we have this volume imbalance. This big volume imbalance. I feel like it's attracting price. But also at the same time, we have the midpoint of this. I'm only seeing the daily right now. So my eyes are on the midpoint of this daily wick right over here. So I'm gonna mark that out like this. Uh, I usually do the orange. Just make it a little bit light. And then we have it's the daily wick C dot E. The day doesn't really matter. It's the 28th of May. Actually, the same as the fair value that we're at right now. I'm just gonna leave that right now. Um, yeah, that's what we got. Uh, Cells look clean today, I'm not gonna lie. Um, wait. Okay. On the 15-minute, what was catching my eyes, right? We have this fair value gap right over here. You see how price came back into that, and then we had like a sell-off, and we have this fair value gap, we have this fair value gap right over here, right? So we're just gonna have to wait for market open and see what price wants to do at market open. So my eyes are set on this fair value gap and this one. But most likely, if we can come to this, probably do this, do the damage and take out the London high if it does want to go higher. And then if it wants to continue lower, these lows really caught my eyes, bro. Because remember, this opening range gap midpoint has been open ever since. Ever since. And this new week opening gap. They've been open ever since. So my eyes are definitely set on these as my primary. I know it's a it's a big drop, but hey, it's capable. It's Sunday. I mean, sorry, it is Friday. Let's say this is my primary sell side. I think market's gonna be fast this morning. I think we're gonna have a lot of volatility, but this open range gap midpoint, really, this area here has caught my attention in all honesty, and we are all the way up here, and that's like, let me see. like 300 pips. It's a lot, but it's capable. It's capable. We have this low right over here. I mean, price can go there. Uh, but yeah, I'm looking also these fair value gaps, these ones. But for now, I want to see how we're gonna react to how we're gonna react at market open. That's what's really catching my interest. We have 1 minute left, and then yeah. So let's just see what price does, and we will move on from there. Just be patient, and let's see will it tip its hand to me. Okay. Mm, yeah, we all know it, but in such a good mood. Okay, market it's about to open right now. Let's just see how big this opening range gap is gonna be. Problem is this is gonna be the London low. Like that's just right there. See that's the thing. So yeah, let's just see how big this opening range gap is gonna be. See how price is just playing around this area. I think it's physical. 2-1 when market open. So market open candle. So 70% of the time midpoint. So I'll be looking at 70% of the time. And it's aligning like with all of these that we have over here. We have minor buy side, which is these. This is the news candle right over there. Let's just do this. Minor buy side. There we go. Let's see what price does. If it just drop, well, let's see if we're gonna retrace back into this. A 15-minute candle. Let me see what's going on there. Yeah, we have a lot of fair value gaps on this side of town. Wait, bro, why is it not loading? Jeez. Okay. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Sorry about that. I forgot about this. Totally forgot. We have this big fair value gap. How could I forget about that? We have this big fair value gap right over here. Problem is it's aligning with this, but we have this 15-minute fair value gap. We want to see also how price is going to react to this. If it's going to respect the midpoint or not. That's very important as well. Let's see. There we go. That's that for value gap. That's 15-minute for value gap. But I'm actually gonna delete this. I'm gonna delete that. I think we can do without it. I want to see price push to this area. Let's see what we get. Okay. We're gonna let market, we're gonna let it cook. And obviously you're expecting this, higher prices, below it, lower prices. But obviously we're looking at this at the London high with minor buy side over there. So you just gotta let market cook, let it do what it has to do. Bro, I swear this is not straight. It doesn't feel straight. So, so honestly not. Okay, we're having a reaction of the end dog right over here. See that? Show you guys. So this is our first fair value gap of the day. This one. Right? Wait. Yeah. We could use this actually to go long to reach the midpoint, but I wouldn't want to risk that right now. I would rather just wait for this 15-minute candle to tell me what it wants to do. But obviously 70% of the time the midpoint. And obviously my bias in my head is I want to see price come back into this area right over there. But we just gotta wait. We just gotta wait. We just gotta wait. I don't know. Is this our first value gap? Seems like it. Wait. Excuse me. Potentially B. Because it broke these. It broke all of this. It's like getting a reaction of that. Yeah, I took out these. Let's see what happens. Just gonna wait and see. Be patient. Because remember, if I were to be long, right? Let's just say I did use this to go long. My stop loss would have been below this. But and wait, 50-minute candle. We're having a reaction of the end dog right now, which is the side over there, literally. But I feel like to be more patient for the trade and not to rush for sales, I'd rather wait and see price break this for value gap, get below it. Is there anything below that? Let me see something. There's nothing. I would rather wait for price get below that, to get below this for value gap to go for shorts. I wouldn't rush it. No, honestly. And plus, either way, it broke through but didn't get a retracement. So you want to see it come back and retrace to that. Please the world. Please the world. We just gotta wait. Just gotta wait. Nasdaq, Nasdaq. We took out this initial low that we created at market open. I want to see what's going on here. Okay, looks like on, I think we're about to approach this low right over here. On Nasdaq, we are I did already. It's like a wait. I need to look at the 15 minute. Face the world. Wait. Face the world. Bam, 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 bam. Hmm. Bodies below. Okay. I'm literally looking at these lows. Oh yeah, that's wait, what? I don't know if I'm looking at the same. Okay, hold on there. And you down here. Okay. Okay. Let's see if we can have a closer below this first fair value, this 15-minute fair value gap, and then if we do close below it, I want to see, are we going to retrace back up the wicks to the damage, retrace, respecting the lower half. I'm not sure about retracing back into this though. I think we might leave it open today. I'm not really quite sure. Like it depends on the distance, and let me see something. If we're to leave, and then I mean it generally can if it wants to, because the wicks can do the damage. Um, but yeah, let's just wait and see what happens. This is my main target. Just gotta be patient, bro. Just gotta let it cook. We at the end dog high. Let me see. Zoom out. We are at this other fair value gap, but we're very close to this low right there. And on the daily, we are at that. Shoot, where are we, bro? We are close to this daily week midpoint, right over there. And the target that we're looking at is all the way down here. Let's see. Is price gonna grant us that luxury? Because Nasdaq after all could do whatever it wants. Perfect value gap right over there. Let's see if price gonna use that. Do. Ugh. Like a nice drop there. This will be my first target. This right over here. Okay, let's see how we're gonna get a retracement back into this. It's about to close. This is a small retracement. The retracement could also just be, excuse me, this this fair value gap. You see how it's using this fair value gap out over there. I'll just wait and see. On a new 15-minute candlestick. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun, dun. Bum, bum, bum. Whoa, we're having a crazy drop. It's like we're gonna have to wait for that macro for maybe we get a retracement. Bum, 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 bum. We have this. Let's see if price gonna, oh, be careful. Touch. Go below. See a touch. And then bum. We're getting a fair value gap. I think we got a fair value gap that we could use. This one, we're gonna use that. Oh, this account's not even activated. I'm gonna just take it on the other account. We're going for shorts using that. Stop loss is above that. I don't know how to show you because the trade I'm taking now it's on my iPad, so it's not on my funded because the fund is not activated yet. I literally just saw I can't press the button on the funded. I literally can't. So I'm cooked in that sense. Okay, it filled me like here. Just down about like, let me see. Yeah, like here. And just like that, I just passed the phase two on the other funded account. We done, boys. Okay, I sadly could not like there's like what's like a 1:1 risk reward. I just needed $200 to pass the account. Yeah, I just needed $200, but I think we're gonna get a retracement back into probably this fair value gap right over here to go short. Um, I don't know, was that all I needed? That has to be right because it's still making me be able to go for a trade. I'm gonna have to check on the bruh. I don't know. It's not telling me. Okay, I'm just have to log in. But yeah, I guess that's a W trade. That's like you could say the first trade we took. That was clean. I do think we're still gonna go short still, because obviously I would have held it longer. I'm looking at maybe using this price, using this, price using that. You're gonna see it. I wanna probably see it use this. Worst case scenario, probably use this one, the one that initially that I tried to short. It's just that I got filled like there. But you see, oh look, it came, just fell short there. Bum, bum, bum. Oh, this is so disappointing. I genuinely thought that my the account was gonna be active. Well, I guess today was just not the day to use the account then. I genuinely thought so. I literally can't press the button, but it's cool. They didn't activate the account yet. Yeah, let's see if price gonna. There we go. Let me log into Comet Capital to see. Mm, not Comet Capital, sorry. Fund it next. Fund it next. Fund it next. Fund it next. Ba, 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 ba. Ba, 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 ba. Yes. I guess this is a good winning streak, I guess. Um, clean winning streak. But I wanna see if they said the account is passed or not. Because doesn't tell me if I'm gonna enter short like here. I'm just trying to be patient and wait. Oh, we done. We done. We done. Okay. Okay. I'm not touching it. I'm not touching it. We're done with the face. Okay. I won't be touching it. We got that phase two though. This does not look good. Price is like consolidating way a bit too much. You might want to buy a bit. Let me see what's going on here. Oh, I have a bit of a retracement. See, okay, US 30 is okay. Okay, still looks good. I'm respecting that. So you're respecting the midpoint of that. That's clean. Okay. Okay, so I'm back. Yeah, we're having a nice drop, bro. Ah, bruh. Oh man, this is gonna be such a good trade, bro. Ah, it's gonna be such a good trade, bro. Hey, charge it to the gang, bro. Charge it to the gang. Bro, why didn't they activate my account, bro? Anywho, it's fine. It's part of the game, bro. I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll take it. I genuinely thought that account was gonna be active, bro. I wish I could just show you guys, but see, my camera's not on. Oh well, boys. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. Wait, it didn't add. Yep, the target is about to get hit. Called it, bro. I literally called it. 250 at least. This thing is bugging. We're gonna retracement. Trying to see price and respect this one right over there. You can see if you're gonna get lower prices or not. Come on, Nazi, Nazi. Bum, 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 bum. But this one's too much far of a choice. Mm. Bum, 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 bum. Like those lows were just so obvious today, bro. It was just too obvious. Way too obvious. I can't explain it, bro. Okay. Wait, I need to listen to something real quick. Hold on. There we go, having that nice drop. Uh, it kind of sucks. Um, I would have, could have, should have. It's fine. Just part of the game, bro. I'll take it. I'll take it. At least we passed out the fun. Let's just be grateful for that. Um, we got that done. That's all that matters. We have this 5 minute fair value gap. That I'm looking at this one right over here. I want to see if price gonna retrace into that. So my eyes are at right now. You see this one. Oh wait. This this one. You know, I could respect this one, but we are in this 5 minute fair value gap. But I wanted to retrace a little bit further in. all honesty. Respecting that. This one. I suggest that's one. Bro. We have a minute until the macro is done. And let's see what price respect this for value gap or not. Oh, yo, it's not looking good. No, I'm not in any trade. You guys think I'm in a trade or not? Probably gonna come back into this. We have oh, there's a last minute. But I think it might actually disrespect it. Well, if this closes and respects the midpoint, then very good. But there's still this one, the main one, the one that we saw to use as an entry. But I'm done for the day. I'm gonna take my W and be at peace. Okay, we're respecting that midpoint right over there. Dun, dun, dun. It's Friday then. Okay. You're still gonna hit the target, bro. Bruh, 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 bruh. Okay, we're out of the macro times right now. Um, yeah, man, lovely trading day. To be honest, I'm happy. Yeah. It's a 15-minute. Oh, guys, I'm gonna see you guys on the next one. Beautiful trading day. Not gonna lie, I liked it. We got a nice W over there. I'm gonna put this. This was the okay. This was the trade we took. Was like a 1:1 risk reward. So I'm gonna mark that out, and then yeah, I'm gonna see you guys on the next one. Remember, still in my head, I do. Oh damn! In my mind, I still do. I'm still confident about wanting to see price come all the way down here. In all honesty, so we'll just see later on if it does end up doing that. Other than that, I'm gonna see you guys on the next one. Enjoy your weekend, and we will do the trade recap. Uh, when is this? But we'll do a trade recap tomorrow or Sunday, either one of the days. I'll just see because I might be going home. And usually when I go home, I don't really have time. Okay, I do, but there's just a lot going on, so I can't give my full attention, and there's always disturbances. So yeah, thank you guys for tuning in. Great trading week. We all got double. It's just been W's this week, and I'm happy, man. I'm happy. I'm gonna see you boys in the next one. Cheers.